Welcome, and thank you for your desire to virtually participate in this year's annual membership meeting. This video tutorial is designed to walk you through the registration process and to familiarize you with the various screens you will encounter. Basic functions available to you in a Zoom meeting, along with step-by-step instructions of how to participate in the voting process, will also be covered. Whether you are a seasoned Zoom user or if you are new to using Zoom, the following is meant to empower you and honor you as a valued member of our spiritual family. Hopefully by now, you are familiar with the CCU Orlando website. This is the starting place for the registration process. From the ccuorlando.net website, please click on the Events tab in the top center portion of your screen. Large red arrows will prompt you to appropriate action steps throughout this presentation. On the annual membership meeting webpage, you will find two options to view the annual meeting. If you are a voting member of CCU Orlando, which means you have previously completed new member classes and renewed your membership for 2021, click on the Attend via Zoom button. This button will become active 30 days prior to the annual meeting. If you have not renewed your membership for 2021, there's a link on the CCU Orlando website to complete the form electronically. If you are not a voting member or have not renewed your membership for 2021, click the Watch the Live Stream button on the day of the annual meeting to participate. Non-members watching the live stream on YouTube do not have the ability to cast votes. Once you click on the Attend via Zoom button, this Zoom registration page will open in your internet browser. You only need to enter your name and email address. It's that simple. Remember to click on the Register button before you close the window. The next step is on us at CCU. We will be notified you have requested to attend the annual membership meeting. It's our job to confirm you are a voting member and your 2021 membership renewal has been received. If there's any reason we cannot confirm your current membership status, we will contact you via the email address you entered on this form. As soon as we confirm your current active membership status, you'll receive this email. Please save this email. It contains the link you will need to join in with Zoom on the actual day. Click here to join is all you need on that day. Access to the annual meeting Zoom experience is as easy as opening this email and clicking on the link in blue. Save this email. This link is tied to your email address and can only be used by one device to attend the meeting. On the day of the annual meeting, after you click on the Click Here to Join link found in your email, which you saved, Zoom will automatically open in your internet browser. You may be prompted to confirm how you want to connect to Zoom. The first step is to confirm your intention to join Zoom by clicking on Open Zoom Meetings. Depending on your computer's capabilities and your preferences, you have the options to simply view the meeting or to participate with your video and voice. If you would like to use your camera so others can see you, click on Join with Video. This is recommended. We would love to see your beautiful faces. If you would like to ask questions at the appropriate times, choose to Join with Computer Audio. Your microphone will be automatically muted, turned off, when you enter the Zoom meeting. New Zoom users may want to click on Test Speaker and Microphone, and Zoom will assist you in checking that your microphone is connected and you will be able to hear the presentation. Okay, you are now in Zoom. However, if you try to log in too early, you may get a pop-up screen telling you the host has not yet started the meeting. Remember, patience is a virtue. We should have the Zoom session started 15 minutes prior to the actual meeting start time. Two controls you can access during the meeting are in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. If you do not see the buttons on the bottom of your screen, move your mouse and they will appear. After a few seconds of inactivity, the toolbar will again disappear. The button on the far left is your microphone control. In this picture, the microphone is muted or turned off as designated by the red line. Click on the picture of the microphone to turn on your mic and the red line will disappear. Please leave your mic muted, turned off, unless you are asking the host a question. Everyone in the Zoom meeting can hear you when your mic is on. They can also hear everything going on in the room you are in. The next button, which looks like a video camera, turns your video camera on and off. In this instance, the camera is off. Notice the red line, and my live picture is not shown in the box with my name. Please leave your video on as much as possible, especially if you are asking a question. If you're new to Zoom, log into the meeting early and become familiar with these controls. Most of the meeting will be for you to simply view. However, there is official church business to be conducted. Your first opportunity to participate will be to vote for new 2021-22 Board of Trustees. You will be voting for 3 new trustees. While the vote is being taken with paper votes by those physically present in attendance in the sanctuary, the above pop-up screen will appear on your monitor. Click the box next to your 3 choices and then press Submit. Only click on 3 choices. The voting screens are set to submit your responses anonymously. Throughout the meeting, there will be other motions made for all members to vote on. For instance, you will be asked to vote to approve the prior year meeting minutes, the 2021 operating budget, and updated bylaws, to name a few. Each of these votes will only give you the option of making one choice, yes or no. Click on the circle next to your response and click the Submit button. At various times throughout the meeting, the speakers may ask if anyone has any questions or if there's a motion from the floor. You have 2 options. The first is to raise your hand to get the attention of the meeting host. To do this, first click on the participants icon in the bottom center of your screen. A pop-up screen listing everyone in the Zoom meeting will appear on your monitor. In the bottom left corner of the pop-up screen, you can click on a blue hand above the words Raise Hand. The host monitoring the Zoom meeting will see your raised hand and connect with you. Your second option is to type in your question or comment in the chat box. The chat box is also found in the bottom center of your screen. Clicking on Chat will also open a pop-up screen. Move your cursor to the Type Message Here box and enter your question. The host and everyone else in the Zoom meeting will see your question. And that's all you need to know to fully participate in this year's annual membership meeting. I know it sounds complicated, but this is very doable. We know you can do it. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. We hope you find it useful and it offers you a level of confidence, empowering you to be a fully engaged participant in our 2021 annual meeting. We are grateful for your patience and flexibility as we learn new ways of being a spiritual community during this pandemic. We value your insights and look forward to seeing you again in person. You are loved and you are blessed.